All right. Well, welcome back. I am John Najarian, and this is 3 at 3. It's the 21st of August, and we're going to give you unusual option activity that we've spotted today. We have three, per usual, 3 bits of unusual activity. I think you'll find all 3 interesting. And we also have this because we are expanding the reach of the show. The show is already on The Street. Here it is from thestreet.com website, August 17th. So last Thursday's Unusual and Rebel's Edge. We will be making another announcement just after Labor Day, and we're really looking forward to that. We appreciate all the support. We've now today, I think, was the 199th episode, so we'll be 200th episode tomorrow. So get ready for that. And we're pretty pleased about how things are going over there. I encourage you to check it out. If you go to thestreet.com and you go under their investing tab, we've got almost 2 months worth of shows there under options. The fact that so many people, 18 million, I'm sorry, that was the old number, 21 million people now on monthly user basis hit thestreet.com various video sites, and we are one of the more popular, if not the most popular show on of their streaming shows. So encourage you to check it out. It of course streams right here at Market Rebellion at marketrebellion.com/edge. But it's great to be on these other platforms because it brings a lot more viewers in because our platform is primarily subscribers. All right, let's get started. AMD, Advanced Micro, stocks at 106. They're buying the 1st of September 110 calls for $2.30. Now, these options, of course, are only alive for about 2 weeks, folks. So you need to be aware that even though 14,000 is 1.4 million share equivalent, that's a nice large trade that we like to follow. These expire just going into the Labor Day holiday, because Labor Day is the 4th of September, in case you didn't already know. So the fact that they're buying a $4 above the market call and the fact that it's got less than 2 weeks to live means you need to be aware of strategies you could mitigate some of that time decay. For instance, by selling an option against the options that you purchase. That's always a good strategy. And I certainly employ that strategy myself as we get into the final 2 or 3 weeks of an option's life, because otherwise you can get caught being in a long position and having time decay just erode away that position. Let's hit the second one, TSM, Taiwan Semi, TSM, $91.52. They're buying the 97 calls that expire this Friday, the 25th. So that's 4 days hence, of course. And this is the week before that prior one will expire. But nearly 10,000 of these calls mean this is 910,000 share equivalent. Big upside call buying. Per usual, I am going to be buying at the money and selling upside calls against it. And I will do that as a package. If I think I'm smart and I can try to catch it for a couple ticks here or there, yeah, I might do a little bit better. But I like, with the final week to go until this expiration, which is again this Friday, the 25th, I like buying at the money and then quickly selling an above the market call against it. Third and final is PayPal. You saw how it got wrecked last week. Well, PayPal, 59.5 bucks. They're looking for the 29th of September. Happens to be my birthday. 29th of September, 65 calls. So these calls are obviously $6 approximately above where the market is trading, because 59.5. So you need to be aware of time decay, but you don't need to do it as a match trade like I just talked about in the prior example. You have a little bit of time before you should sell that upside call against the call that you're buying. But if you want to do them as a package right away, I'm not going to fault you for it. I'm just saying that the time decay is not quite as fierce because these are 1 month and 8 days into the future. So you have a little bit more time, which means time decay, as severe as it is not as bad on this one. But be aware that they did just come off pretty hard, a recent trade in the 60s, and then broke all the way down into the 50s. So I like this for a rebound trade. Well, that's it, folks. That's 3 at 3 for today, the 21st of August. I'd encourage you to check out marketrebellion.com/get started for more. That's marketrebellion.com/get started for more. And until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody.